What is up, Crypto Nation? It's your boy VR. Welcome to the show. Make sure you guys come over here and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Also, come over here to Instagram and follow me because I update you what is going on in my life, and I update you what is going on in cryptocurrency space as it happened. And also come over here to Twitter, and I put up tons and tons of information as it happened ASAP. So we're gonna look at the charts real quick, guys. I'm only gonna look at the day and 4 hour. I'm not going to go into the hours because I'm not a day-to-day trader of cryptocurrencies. I'm a day-to-day trader of Forex. So I want to stay really limited to this. And for beginner traders, it's good to trade longer time frames so you guys can see what exactly is happening in a market. So let's first start off with Bitcoin. As we can see, we pushed up. Gosh darn it, we just hit that 30K and everybody bought it all up, and we just pushed as fast as we can up to, what was the top, like 6,800. Jesus, it's looking like we're coming off of this slanted line right here. We pushed out of there. That was, you know, a bullish push out of that, and we're coming back and retesting a line. And actually there is a support line right here, right as we're retesting this. So let's go into the 4 hour and see what's really happening in the lower level of Bitcoin. So you see I deleted that support line, and right here you can see it right here. That support line is right here. We had another horizontal, we had another angle line coming right here, and we went under that, but it seems like we're pushing back up and we're just hitting this line. What I'm seeing is we really, let me draw this out for you guys. What I'm seeing is we really moved up and we push down to retest this support line, and we could push back up, but it may take time. We are in the weekend, so it may take time from next week to see if we can pass this resistance area right here. Really big resistance area. So let's go over here and see what's going on in Ethereum. Let's go over here to the day real quick. Ethereum is just following this trend line directly up. That is incredible. Look at that. If you guys knew this trend line existed, look at that. If you knew that existed, guys, would you trade that? Most definitely trade that. If you are a holder, you really don't even have to worry about that, but it's just holding that trend line. We don't even need to go into the 4 hour when we see what's happening. It's not even dipping as hard as Bitcoin because I guess everybody thinks Ethereum is the future. It could be, but I personally think Ethereum is way overpriced. For example, if you have $50 worth of ETH, you're going to be paying like $13 to $14 to send that ETH somewhere. You can't even get into a smart contract with that amount of money of ETH. So I think there's a major problem. I think Ethereum is way overpriced. Leave a comment and let me know what you guys think about there. But with the technology that they have, from NFTs to smart contracts, amazing, but nobody can use it but the rich. So if Vitalik and them can fix that as they're trying to go into sharding and staking, we'll see what happens. Also, a lot of Ethereum has been burnt from the EIP that just came out recently. So, you know, Ethereum might become deflationary, but I don't think right now it is. Let's go over here to Elon Musk Dogecoin. Oh Lord. Let's bring this out a little bit further. We are moving sideways, I see. Woo, really not doing anything with Dogecoin. It hit all-time high around 70 cents. Jesus. Let me get rid of this right here for you guys. And it has just went sideways. Nothing is happening. The volatility line said it is bearish right now. You see this line right here? And yeah, it's just, let's go down to the 4 hour and see if there's any buying pressure. Whoa, it's just not looking good at all. This trend line was just recently broken and hit the support, so this might be a good buy to this resistance line up here at 27 cents, but I don't see anything pretty major happening in Dogecoin. Maybe if some news come out about Dogecoin and their technology, maybe this could change. Or Elon Musk. Also, Elon Musk just sold a lot of Tesla, guys. What a dump. Jesus. And then he set it up on people saying that if I want to pay for hunger to some organization, I'll sell $6 billion and I want to see where you send the money. I think that was a setup for him just selling stock anyway. All right, so we're looking at Link right now. Link is on the same path as Ethereum, but it hit, oh Lord, it hit this resistance up here at $35 and looking like we're getting a double top right there. Let's see if it breaks this trend line. If it breaks this trend line, we can see that it will hit this resistance right here at $31 and maybe push back up towards this resistance up here at $35. So man, look at those huge wicks right there. That tells you that's a lot of people over there selling Link around this area. All right, guys, let's look at ADA. Let's look at ADA. I'm a big fan of ADA, but I currently don't hold any ADA right now. You know, I don't hold any ADA right now. I think ADA can go down in price, so that's why I'm not holding any ADA right now. If we look at it right now, let's zoom out a little bit further and see what's going on with ADA. So ADA is the volatility line saying still very bullish. You can see we pushed all the way up to this $2.50. We jumped to $3 and pushed back down. And ever since Bitcoin's been popping up, it really hasn't been doing that. It seems like all the volume has been going into Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. As you can see, we were in this trend line right here, coming down here. We broke out, then we retested this trend line right here and look like we're trying to see what's going to happen. It is the weekend, so we're really not going to see anything truly happen, but it seems like we have a resistance around this $2.40. And if ADA doesn't break that, you can see the volatility line, just call it bearish. It could push back down. Where am I looking to buy ADA, guys? I'm looking to buy ADA somewhere around this area right here. Yes, around this area, around this 40 cents, I think it would be a good price to buy some ADA. XRP. Yes, XRP. XRP right now is fighting a case against the SEC. So that's why we're seeing a huge push down from there. And we've seen some buying up. I don't know where they're buying this up at, but on most US exchanges, you can't trade XRP. So with XRP, depending on the news, it seems like we're following this trend line up. It hit this resistance at $1.29, and as there's another resistance right there. So that's a large wick. And when you see a wick like this and a wick like this, that means that people were taking out on shorts and buys when they're margin trading. So that is not good. But let's see if XRP can hold this trend and then push up higher towards the $1.29. Now, looking at this wick and this push down, we might come back down to this $1.02, which would be a good area to buy to get in for cheaper and trade up higher back to this resistance. Uniswap. Okay, let me get rid of these lines, guys. Uniswap. Uniswap is a governance token. And I think it's a little bit overrated right now because nobody can use Uniswap. Well, only the rich can use Uniswap right now. If you have a big bag of money, it's going to take $120 currently right now to make a swap. So regular people can't use Uniswap. So I'm thinking this price at $24.70 is way overrated. Way overrated. If you want to send Uniswap token on an Ethereum network, it's going to cost you about $60. My throat getting kind of parched. Hold on. Oh, if you guys never heard of Voodoo, this is pretty good right here. So Uniswap, the volatility line saying right now it's a little bit bullish, but it's following this trend line and it's coming together and look like we're going to have a breakout here. And it looked like it broke down. But there is a support line right here at 20. No, that's actually, yeah, it's a support line right here. And we'll see if Uniswap can hold this. I think it's all compared to Bitcoin. Remember, all these altcoins are going to move up if Bitcoin is moving up. and move down with Bitcoin is moving down. Now, not all the time they move up when Bitcoin moves up, but they most definitely move down when Bitcoin moves down. But like I said, I think this price is just too high, and I think Uniswap would be a good place to buy. Let me bring this down for you guys around these levels right here. I think once the tapering continues to happen, we're gonna break this, and then we're gonna move all the way back down to right here. So I'm thinking $8 would be a good price to buy Uni when it falls. Now I am a little bearish, guys. I'm sorry about that, because the Fed is starting to taper, and you guys understand cryptocurrency is the most liquid place you can get your money, and that people are going to come here first before they go to the stocks. Most definitely going to come here first. So let's look at Zcash. Zcash is big man. I read an article that Grayscale holds $60 billion worth for Zcash right now. And Zcash broke out of this trend line and broke out of this resistance. This is pretty bullish for Zcash. You can see the volatility line that says it's very bullish, it's moving up. Also, you can see the next resistance should be somewhere around here, around this. Oh, well, we hit it already. $219. Yeah, we hit it already. As you can see, we hit this resistance and we push back down. So I'm thinking Zcash is probably, guys, it's probably going to move further back down to support at $181 and push back up towards resistance, see if it can break out. Hex, I know you Hex people out there. I am a Hexagon myself. So Hex was at all-time high around 50 cents, and it's been just, that was around September 21st, and it's been like a full month, and a full month of just falling down. Even the trend line of velocity said it's pushing down volume. We had a bounce right here. Had a pretty good bounce. We'll see what happened on this bounce. You can see resistance is up around this area at this 29 cents, 30 cents area. And we'll see if Hex can break this. If they can break this area, the next resistance is somewhere around this 38 cents. But like I said, with all these other cryptocurrencies, man, they move with Bitcoin. And with Hex, they have a problem right now because they're on Ethereum network. They will have way more people to get in on this smart contract if it wasn't on Ethereum. So post-chain should be coming out in a couple of days. So I expect, okay guys, I expect for Hex to fall once the post-chain smart contract, once post-chain come out and all the smart contracts on their platform will be way much cheaper. This should continue to fall. All right, you Shiba fans out there, you can see, oh my God, look at the push of Shiba right here. Jesus, from like nothing all the way up. What a push. And Shiba flew up on Coinbase and it's just been falling down. I'm thinking Shiba is not looking good right now. We are at a support area right here around this 48, 49 right here, and if it can hold that, it'll probably push back up to around this area. But I'm thinking Shiba's going to continue to fall. Going to continue to fall down to here until that new technology come out where Shiba's on some video games. I think it was supposed to be coming out pretty soon. So expect Shiba to continue to fall. I'm thinking a good price to buy Shiba is around this 29.06. And I'll probably buy up some Shiba around there. If Shiba continues to fall around these levels, I am most definitely a buyer of Shiba and hold for 2 years. Yeah. Okay, Decentraland. All right, since Metaverse came out, you see a pump on Decentraland. Yes. I think instead of buying the coin, guys, you guys should be looking at buying up land. My next video is going to talk about a few Metaverse games that will be coming out, and you can buy up land, and the land may be a little expensive, but I think over the time. You can probably make millions of dollars off of this. So you can wait till my next video on that. But with Decentraland, there is some opportunity here. Looks like we're having a huge pullback right here. We can see resistance is somewhere around this area, around this $3.60 area. I think it's too early to talk about Decentraland. We'll see what happens. I think during the bear market, when it happens, it'd be really good to pick up some Decentraland around this 70, 80 cents, 50 cents area around here. This right now I think is just too high. Until Decentraland gets more users on their platform, I think you guys should wait until the price falls. If you love content like this, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Tell me what you want me to look at next when I go over the charts. And yeah, all you guys have a good day, and all you guys have a good night, and enjoy the crypto life. Peace.